Hey there! In this quick demo, I'll show you how to import product categories from your WooCommerce store directly into Odoo using our WooCommerce Connector module. Step 1. Check existing categories in WooCommerce. First, let's take a look at the categories in our WooCommerce store. Head over to your WooCommerce dashboard, go to Products, and then click on Categories. Here, we've got 67 product categories already set up. You can add a new one anytime by entering a name, slug, and description, then clicking Add New Category. Step 2. Launching the import from Odoo. Now let's bring those categories into Odoo. Jump into Odoo, click on the WooCommerce menu from the homepage. This is the main dashboard of our WooCommerce Connector module. As you can see, we currently have 0 categories in Odoo. Step 3. Select your WooCommerce instance. Next, go to the Instance menu and select the WooCommerce store you've connected. Under Operations, choose the direction WooCommerce to Odoo. We're running an import operation, and specifically, we want to import categories. Step 4. Choose Import Options. Now, choose how you want to import. You can import all categories, filter by specific IDs, or use a date range. In this case, we're importing all categories, so I'll go ahead and select that option. Then, just hit Execute. Step 5. Sync progress and confirmation behind the scenes. A queue job is created to handle the sync. You can monitor the job under the Queue Job section. Once it's marked completed, your categories are successfully synced. Step 6. Verify imported categories in Odoo. Now, let's confirm the import. Head back to your dashboard and refresh. There it is. All 67 categories from WooCommerce are now in Odoo. Mission accomplished. And that's it. Importing WooCommerce categories into Odoo is that simple with our WooCommerce connector. Need help or want to see more features in action? Check out our documentation or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.